in the paediatric ward are 2-year-old baby Minnie and her mum Meadow. They've been at the hospital for 2 weeks because Minnie has the elephant herpes virus, known to kill the majority of baby elephants that catch it. She's running a high temperature, and Mum Meadow is supporting Minnie the best she can.
I know they don't look like a human baby, but they act like it. They rely on the mum for reassurance. You look in that elephant's eye, you see a very sentient being.
Minnie is taking a course of 60 antiviral medication daily, which appears to be having an effect on her mood. After 2 weeks in isolation, Minnie is finding the company of just her mum Meadow a little dull. The change in Minnie's behaviour could be a sign that she's getting better, but they won't know without her daily temperature check.
ปกติจับไม่จับได้
No one likes going to the doctor, especially children. They don't understand the importance, so they can play up and be naughty and unpredictable. It's exactly the same with Minnie.
เอา